Welcome back again to my channel. Trust you guys are doing well and keeping safe. Well, it's been a while. I'm sorry for not being there all the time. Well, today's recipe, I would like to show you how I make coconut rice. Simple and easy method. So the ingredients I'll be needing for this recipe is, I have my rice here. I'm going to parboil it soon. This is basmati, golden seller basmati rice. I have a bit of my grated coconuts for more crunch. I have my coconut here. I've skinned it. I'm going to blend and get the milk out of it. I have some chili here, green chilies, my Maggi cubes, crayfish, coconut oil. I have my thyme, my bell peppers for more color. I have salt and onion. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is parboil my rice and blend my coconut to get the milk out of it. I'll see you guys later. So guys, I'm back. I've prepped all my ingredients. That is my peppers. I boiled my rice. So I'm going to start cooking now. So the first thing I'm going to do now to intensify the flavor of the coconut rice, I'm going to be making use of coconut oil. I have about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil here. Once it's melted, I'm going to add my ginger and garlic to it and start adding the rest of my ingredients. So my oil is a bit hot. I'm going to add my ginger and garlic in there. Let's fry for a bit. Go in with my onion now. Keep stirring. I'm going to go with my habanero pepper and my green chili and keep stirring. I'm going to go with a bit of thyme, a bit of salt, stir. Right now I'm going to go in my bell peppers. Keep stirring. The bell peppers is just to add some color. You can cook your coconut rice without the bell pepper if you want to. To bring out the flavor. I'm going to go with my seasoning cubes now. Stir together. Give this thing a fry for like 2 to 3 minutes and add your coconut water. Right now, I'm going to go with my coconut milk in the pot. See how colorful this thing is. I'll taste for salt, then I'll add my rice to this mixture. Now I'm going to go in with my rice. Putting my rice in, I have to stir the rice. taste for salt and make sure everything is on point. At this stage, I would like to add a bit of water just to level up with the rice so that it will cook perfectly. Just chopped, so I had to add a little bit of water to level up with the rice so that this could cook perfectly. I'm going to taste for salt now and allow it to cook. To give this coconut rice more flavor, I'm going to be adding a little bit of crayfish in there, just a little, not to overpower the coconut flavor, and coconut to give it more crunch to the coconut flavor. Give it a stir and add it. Guys, our coconut rice is ready. Come with your spoons, guys. It's all ready. You need to, the aroma in this kitchen is all coconutty flavor. Simple, delicious, straightforward. Look at that. Colorful at the same time. Colorful at the same time. Look at that. It's not too soggy. It's not even soggy, not too soggy. Standing in grains. Look at that. That's just simple method of cooking coconut rice. So guys, thank you guys for taking out time to always see my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave your message down below, hit that like button. I'll see you in my next one, guys. I love you all. Bye.